sakit, but the ball is not coming here, bro.
Hello guys, welcome to my birthday.
I can't.
Looking like it's all catching up to you lately. Been a couple months since I told you it's over.
Anjuman.
Caught me off guard when I saw you last week.
How many got everyone?
Oh, so tough, but you bluffed when you had me. Saying my ex like my name ain't Steve. Gave you a chance and some dope for me.